going to discuss to you the way of how you can do your final activity. So, for this activity, it deals with our topic in midterm. We have the permutation at saka combination. So, what are you going to do, class, is to provide one permutation problem at saka isang combination problem. And then, i-demonstrate nyo sa akin paano makukuha yung result ng number of ways or number of possible arrangements. For my example, I have this one. Okay, so I have 5 ball pens and then I have 4 markers. So, and my question will be, and the problem will be a combination problem. So, ang ginawa kong problem dito is how many ways I can select 4 markers at saka 1 ball pen. Again, I'll repeat, how many ways I can select 4 markers and 1 ball pen. So, take note, class, that this example involves 2 different types of objects. Ibig sabihin, dalawa yung object na pinaguhan na natin ng sample, okay? Because we have ball pens and another sample for markers. So, ang tanong niya, ilang paraan ko daw makukuha yung 4 markers at saka isang ball pen. So, if you are going to solve it algebraically by using the concept of combination, so, ibig sabihin nun, out of these 4 markers, 4 yung pipiliin ko. So, lahat ko sila pipiliin, no? So, that is represented by 4C sub 4. Kasi nga, yung R ko is 4 and my N is also 4. So, if you are going to calculate that one, 4C sub 4 is equal to 1. Okay? Tapos, sabi niya, isang ballpen lang daw yung pipiliin ko sa 5 ballpens na to. So, that is represented by 5C sub 1 because my N is equal to 5 and my R is equal to 1. So, if you are going to calculate that 5C sub 1, that will give you a result of 5. So, since we have 2 different types of samples, so para makuha natin yung combination result, so you're just going to multiply the result ng dalawa. So, 1 dito, tapos 5 dito. So, 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Ibig sabihin, I can choose, there are 5 ways to select 4 markers out of 4 markers and 1 ball pen out of 5 ball pens. So, pag nakuha nyo na yung result, pag napakita nyo na yung result doon by using calculator or by solving to your solution sheets, so, ipapakita nyo sa akin, i-demonstrate nyo sa akin paano yung number of ways. Okay? So, let us try this one. So, since sabi niya, 4 markers lang naman daw yung pipiliin ko sa 4 markers na yun, so I have this one. Okay? Pero, yung ball pen, isa lang daw yung pipiliin ko. So, I have this one. So, this is the first outcome. Kasi ito yung napili ko, no? Okay? So, this serve as 1 outcome. Okay? So, next, I have this one. Second outcome. So, yung red na walang pakip. Okay? And then, next, I have this outcome. So, I have 4 markers pa rin. And then, 1 black ball pen. Okay? So, this is spec. Okay? So, next, I have this one. So, red ball pen. So, this is the 4th outcome, 4th way. So, lastly, but not the least, I have this one. Okay? So, 4 markers at saka isang black ball pen again, pero magkaiba ng design. So, ibig sabihin, I have 5 number of ways to select 4 markers and 1 ball pen. Okay? Kasi, bakit natin yung demultiply? Kasi nga, there are 2 sample objects, different sample objects. Okay? So, napakita ko sa inyo yung number of ways, that is 5. So, yun yung gagawin nyo sa activity nyo. So,
I woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the
as much as possible, para hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan, find a way na yung kukunin yung example is hindi lalagpas sa 20 arrangements or 20 ways. Kasi masyadong hassle na ma-demonstrate kung 20 plus yung number of ways na kukunin nyo or number of possible arrangements. Again, minimize the number of ways or number of possible results to 20 lang. Huwag lalagpas sa 20. Okay? So, you can use marbles, kahit anong object. So, kahit ano yung problem nyo as long as probability at saka combination. Okay? So, kahit ano yan. So, that is for the combination problem. Okay? So, let us proceed on the second problem. We have the permutation problem.
Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you more.
So I have 3 books here. I have this one, the blue book. So the probability is statistics. Okay? And then I have the second book. So I have the elementary statistics for the basic education. And then I have the third book, mathematics in the modern world. So my problem is how many ways I can arrange these books. So when the problem deals with arrangement, it means that is a permutation problem. Okay? So, paano ko i-arrange yan? So, by calculation, kung gagamitin natin yung sa calculator, since we have 3 books only, so that can be represented by 3 factorial or 3p sub 3. Kasi nga permutation, kasi nga arrangement yung problem natin, no? So, ipapakita natin ngayon paano yung demonstration. So, 3p sub 3 is equal to 6. Ibig sabihin, there are 6 possible arrangement to arrange these books. Okay. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, first, ito siya. Itong nakauna yung blue book. Okay? So, this is the first arrangement. And second, pwedeng itong pangalawa, ilalagay ko yan sa likod. So, I have So, I have this second arrangement. Nasa first pa rin yung blue book, pero naging baliktad yung position ng dalawa. Okay? So, third outcome. So, ipauna ko yung check 113 na book. Okay? So, this is the third. Okay? Third, nauna yung check 113 book, pero sa gitna yung blue book. Okay, so fourth arrangement is that mahuli na yung blue book. Okay? So, this is the fourth arrangement. So, nauna na kanina yung blue, nauna na rin yung check 113 book. So, now, the last one is ipauna natin yung ito. Okay? So, this is the fifth arrangement. Okay? So, sixth arrangement, yung last is, ito yung ipagitna ko. So, as you see, we have 6 possible arrangements. Okay? Because we only have 3 objects or 3 books to arrange. So, that will give you 3p sub 3. So, by using calculator, that is equal to 6. So, ganun lang yung gagawin niyo sa activity niyo. So, 1 permutation problem and 1 combination problem. So, the more creative and the more precise yung example ninyo, the more na makakakuha kayo ng malaking score. Okay? So, good luck!
Since we were stuck in LA, we gonna jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.